Hello Pop Shoppers, this is Steve with Pop RVs, and today I'm here to show you a 2017 Montana High Country. This was it's a 3820 FK is the model number, and this one is a little bit of a unique scenario. The seller has been, at least had this location here for about 10 years, and they're no longer able to come down and enjoy the Rockport area. Family and whatnot is taking them a different direction. So anyway, they are wanting to sell this 2017 Montana. Very nice. On this backside, you're going to see two slides. It is permanently, not permanently, but I mean it could be changed, but it has hard plumbing is what I'm trying to say. So it is a really unique scenario in this instance because they have done a lot of improvements to this space. So if you're looking for a place to call home or a weekend residence in the Rockport area, this may be for you because it is set up and ready to go. Outside of the is that 8x20 deck, I think, and approximately there that they have built on, and it is the all the surfaces is that composite plastic material, so it's built to last. It's not going anywhere. So a lot of extra outdoor living space as well. Total at 5 slides. We've got 2 on the other side, 3 on this side. They've put pavers in all around here, so it's made a really nice living space. Now this thing is mobile, don't get me wrong, but if you were looking for a nice space already set up and ready to go, this may be for you. Not only have they put the 8x20 deck on their approximate size, but there's also a private washroom back here. If you'll look in my photos, I have shown photos in there, and there's a washer and dryer, which is pretty unique to RV type living because you don't necessarily need to use the washateria. It's right here in your own backyard. This RV has 2 entrances, one in the front and one in the rear. I'll take you in the front because this is it is a front kitchen area. Yep, maybe I'll take you in the back. A front kitchen area, rear bedroom. I'm going to show you the bedroom first since we're back here. Nice big open windows with a nice view out back. Nobody behind you, just lots of trees and brush and whatnot. But the seller plans on leaving everything here outside of personal belongings. So if you were looking to have something set up and ready to go, this might be for you. There's a rear bedroom. Inside here is your bath area with a really nice shower. As you can see, these ceilings are, I'm going to guess, 9-10 foot ceilings. Nice vanity area right here in the hallway. All of your controls, I took some pictures of those for the listing. And then on into the mid living area where there's lots of seating. Theater style seating over there. Another leather sofa on this side. And then sitting across from the entertainment center, which you have a fireplace, surround sound, big screen TV, opposing slides, so this opens up really wide. And then as we spin back around here, I'll take you up these 2 steps into the kitchen area, which is a double stainless steel sink, microwave, 3-burner cooktop stove up underneath the coffee filters there, an oven, and a residential size refrigerator. This layout really makes for a lot of room, lots of great views, as you can see here from your dining table. It's very nice hangout here. Again, this is Steve with Pop RVs. This one can be made ready to go or space is available. Please call for details, 361-230-2773. Thank you for shopping Pop and have a great day.